Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video we will learn whole process of applying in University of Bologna. This is University of Bologna, that is in Italy. So simply you have to write University of Bologna in Google tab, and then you have to open this one, the first link, that is of University of Bologna official website. Okay, in this what you have to do next is see the degree programs. Here are the degree programs in which you have to select your degree program according to your choice, for which program you want to apply. Okay, first of all what you have to do is, if you are applying for bachelors, then you have to select this one. If you want to apply for MS, then select this one. If you want to apply for single cycle in which bachelor and master both are offered, then select this one. Okay, we will apply for second cycle master, then click here and done. Next you can also select campus, select this one, or select nothing. You can also select language, so select English. Now these are the courses shortlisted that are for MS and in English language. So from this I want to go for this one, and degree program website. This program has it's a specific website that will be opened here. Okay, this is its official website in which all of information is given, which type of program it is, or which type of language, which um, activities are performed in it. So you have simply scroll down and tap on this online admission procedure for 2024 to 2025. Okay, then what next? Here is the full application procedure. You have to fill all of these things. Here also deadlines of program is given. First intake is admission date is closed, so leave it. You can take admission in intake 2. Its closing date is March 25, and you can also intake admission in this, that's closing date is May 31st. Okay, intake 4 is only for UAE students, so leave it. Now what you have to do next is tap on this, open this in new box, new tab, in which all the admission process is given. You read this admission procedure, and then what to do next is go here, and from here you have to download this form, CV form. Okay, you have to upload your CV in this format, and just tap on it, this form will be downloaded. Next what you have to do is simply you have to tap on the student portal on matriculation. Okay, when you tap on this, then this type of page will be appeared. You have simply to register yourself on this page. After registration you will be able to take admission in Bologna University. Okay, in this you have to select this one, international students, and tap on this. When you tap on this, then you have to give all of your information. You fill your information here, your name, surname, gender, all of this information you have to give in, put here. Then if your domicile is different from your residency, then you have to also upload here. When you fill all the information, then you have to proceed to next. Then this type of page will be appeared. Okay, here the information that you have given is filled here, and what you have to do is the words that are seen here you have to write here, and the voice
3, 5, 8,
that is
2.
played here, you listen this, and the words that are in this voice, you have to write these words in this box and proceed toward next step. Now proceed to next, and you have to copy this and save it. Now proceed toward next. Before proceeding, you must remember that this password, this is your password to log in your portal. Okay, now go to login. You have to select Unibo, and what you have to do next, write your username ID here, and also password. You receive a mail from this university. From this mail you can also change your portal password. Now I am going to sign in. Oh, that password was not working, so they recommend me to change my password. They open this window by its own. Okay, here I paste old password, and then I will give it new password. And then okay, this is not accepting my password. I have to change this password. Okay, not working. They recommend that a password like this. Okay, we use this. Okay, this is not accepting. We again try, and okay. Okay, I changed the password, and it's showing that this is safe and strong. Okay, first of all, now change language to English. Your data has been successfully changed. Now go to login. Okay, this is the official portal where I log in. Now I move toward application, admission application. Now this type of window will be open as I am applying for MS. So select a second cycle and next. Um, Now, for example, I'm applying for this one. Select that option that is that is relevant to your previous education and proceed toward next. Simply tap on this one and proceed toward next. Now here my all information is shown and move toward next. Select permanent address. Now uh, this is asking that I already have a qualification, means that I completed my bachelor education or not. As I completed my bachelor education, then I simply select this. Okay, in this you have to fulfill the detail in which university you are studying. For example, I was doing my bachelor in Pakistan, so I simply selected, and the university is Comsets University. Academic degree bachelors. I have also write code, write the city, address, next. Secondary school diploma nation, also Pakistan, and then I move toward next. Select this one, and as I am not a citizen of EU, so I select this one and move toward next. Here write the code of ID card, either passport, either any one that you have available. ID card number, passport for example is this one and it expires in 25 and confirm. After confirm, this is showing that application details are accepted. To complete the online application, you must attach all the required documents. Here you have to attach documents. Attach your documents: ID, identity document, certificate or self certification of academic qualification, and CV. You have to make a PDF of all of these files and upload here. Okay, here you see that um, ID card document. You have to uh, give title as this is identity document, so I simply and attach ID card here. Certificate or self certification of academic qualification. You have to tap on this add document, give it title like for bachelors, and then you have to choose the document and then save it. In the same way, you have to upload your CV. I'm just uploading random documents and then save it. Next is a copy of your stay permit. Okay, you have to also upload this one, stay permit. If you want to upload any other document that um, make your profile more strong, then you can upload here. Okay. Okay, these documents are mandatory to upload now, and these document you have to upload when you are selected for this scholarship, and then you have to close this one. So this was all about how to apply on University of Bologna. So you people must apply for this scholarship. You have a great opportunity to avail this fully funded scholarships. In this scholarship, no IELTS is required, so please apply. If you have any question, then please ask in comment box, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.